Now on Galaxy Watch Ultra you can also do some breathing exercises. Now for that, let's go in settings and go in health, and here you can first set up your stress to either measure continuously or manual only, and then you can go in this widget here, this one, and this is your stress widget, and here you can simply scroll down, and if you select measure continuously, the watch will give you your entire day and your stress levels throughout the day. But if you scroll down, here you get to your breathing exercise. Now here you can see that we have the duration and the cycles. You can start it from here. You can increase or decrease the cycles. Duration depends on how you set up your cycles, and that can be done from breathe duration. Now here you can set up inhale duration, hold duration, and exhale duration. You can do some popular patterns here like 4-4-4 and 4-7-8 and do these breathing exercises, and that will ensure that you're doing some mindfulness sessions through your watch, which is great. You can then start it, and then the watch vibrates to tell you when you're inhaling, and then it counts down to hold seconds, and after that it will vibrate again to show you that you are now exhaling. And that is how you can do some breathing exercises on this watch.